In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a thank you page to a Clickfunnels funnel. Having a dedicated thank you page is a simple but powerful way to wrap up your funnel, confirm that everything worked, and guide your visitors on what to do next. Let's walk through the process step by step in a way that's easy to follow, even if you're new to Clickfunnels. First, log into your Clickfunnels account and head over to your dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar with different options. Look for the section labeled Funnels, then click it to open your list of existing funnels. From there, select the specific funnel where you want to add your thank you page. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right funnel, especially if you manage several of them. Once your funnel is open, you'll see the funnel steps laid out in order. Navigate to the end of that funnel path. At the very bottom, or at the end of the list, you'll see a plus icon or a button labeled Add New Step. Go ahead and click that. This is how you tell Clickfunnels that you want to insert another page into the funnel sequence. After clicking to add a new step, you'll be prompted to choose what type of step you want to create. Here, select the option for a page. This lets Clickfunnels know you're adding another actual page into the flow, rather than something like a different type of action or automation. Next, you'll be taken to a screen where you can choose from different page categories and templates. Look for the Thank You category. Clicking on Thank You will filter the templates to show designs that are specifically built for confirmation and post-purchase or post-opt-in messages. Browse through the available Thank You page templates and pick one that fits the style and purpose of your funnel. When you find a layout you like, click Choose Template. This applies that design to your new step. You can always customize the text, colors, and images later, so focus on the general structure that works best for you. Once your thank you page has been added, go up to the top area of your funnel settings. Click on Settings, then scroll down until you find the option to update or save your funnel. Click Update Funnel. This is important because it ensures your new thank you page is fully saved and included in the live funnel sequence. After that, your thank you page is officially part of your funnel, ready to customize and publish.